Well, thank you for joining us here on Wilderness Weather. I'm meteorologist Thomas Gath right here on the night of November 17th, 2024. We've got a storm system working through the area overnight tonight, so our main concern is some heavy rain and potential flooding overnight. We've got a flood watch that has already begun and will last until 3 p.m. tomorrow. So certainly many locations across the area are going to pick up around 2 inches of rainfall, but between now and midday tomorrow. But certainly some areas could pick up around 3 inches of rain as well. And as we head into the overnight, we're having this cold front to start working into the area, and out ahead of it, there's going to be some strong winds being pumped up from the south. And those winds could certainly gust to 40 or 50 miles an hour. So a wind advisory has been issued, and that will begin at 3 a.m. and will last until 3 p.m. tomorrow. And now the main thing I also want to focus on here is between 6 and 10 a.m. That's when it's mainly just going to be rain up until then, but then we're going to have some stronger storms work through the area between 6 and 10 a.m. So you're definitely going to want to stay tuned on that. I'm thinking the main concern will be some damage in straight line winds, but certainly cannot rule out an isolated spin-up tornado. Now, I personally am thinking on this event as compared to the one we had a few weeks ago, we don't have enough instability to make it into as much of a tornado threat as what we had a few weeks ago, but they certainly can't rule out an isolated spin-up. But I'm thinking, like I said, I'm thinking mainly damage in straight line winds, but could certainly gust up to 40 or 50 miles an hour. And if anything does change, I'll keep you up to date. But yeah, 6 to 10 a.m., be careful out there tomorrow. Heavy rain, wind, that's looking like the main concern, but I'll keep you up to date if anything changes. So until then, thanks, and have a great and safe evening.